Stop. Before you open Microsoft Excel today, I want to ask you one simple question. Are you working hard in Excel? Or are you working smart? Because the truth is, thousands of office professionals spend almost an hour every single day doing tasks that could actually be completed in just a few minutes. Imagine this. It's Monday morning. Your manager walks over to your desk and says, "I need this Excel report in the next 15 minutes." Your heart starts racing. The worksheet has thousands of rows. Everyone around you is clicking menus, scrolling endlessly, copying, pasting, and trying to finish before the deadline. But one person calmly smiles, presses a few keys on the keyboard, and finishes first. What makes the difference? It's not years of experience. It's knowing the right keyboard shortcuts. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 10 Microsoft Excel keyboard shortcuts that professionals use every day. These are not random shortcuts you'll forget tomorrow. These are practical shortcuts that can save you hours every single week. And here's today's challenge. Keep counting how many shortcuts you already know. At the end of the video, comment your score out of 10. Let's see who is the real Excel master. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Shalu Verma classes. If you're new here, my mission is simple: to help you master Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint with practical examples that you can use immediately at school, college, or in the office. If you enjoy learning useful computer skills, make sure you subscribe because every week I bring tutorials that save you time and make your work easier. Let's begin with one of my absolute favorite Excel shortcuts. Imagine your manager sends you this employee database. At first glance, it looks perfectly fine. Names, departments, salaries, everything is there. So most people immediately start working with it. But here's the problem. This is only a normal range of data. If you keep adding new employees, applying filters, or creating reports, managing everything becomes messy very quickly. Now watch this carefully. I simply click anywhere inside the data, and instead of searching through menus, I press Ctrl+T. Look what just happened. Excel instantly converted this ordinary data into a professional Excel table. Notice the filter buttons automatically appeared. The rows are beautifully formatted, and if I add new records later, the table expands automatically. That's something a normal data range cannot do. Professional Excel users almost always convert important data into tables before they begin working. It makes formulas easier, pivot tables smarter, and dashboards much more reliable. So here's a quick question for you. Did you already know Ctrl+T before today? Type yes or no in the comments. I'd love to know. Alright, let's move to shortcut number 2. And trust me, I use this one almost every single day. Now imagine your company has 20,000 employee records. Your manager asks you to show only the sales department located in Delhi. What do most beginners do? They start scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. That wastes a huge amount of time. Instead, I click anywhere inside my table and press Ctrl, Shift, and L. Immediately, Excel adds filter buttons to every column. Now I simply open the department filter, choose Sales, open the city filter, select Delhi. And within seconds, only the records I actually need are visible. Imagine trying to do the same thing manually inside 20,000 rows. This shortcut alone can save you hours every month. Here's another quick challenge. Which sounds faster to you, scrolling through thousands of rows, or pressing just 3 keys? I think we all know the answer. Now the next shortcut is one that almost nobody teaches beginners, but once you learn it, you'll never scroll through a worksheet the same way again. Take a look at this worksheet. Hundreds of rows, maybe even thousands. If I want to reach the bottom, I could keep scrolling with the mouse wheel, but that's exactly what beginners do. Instead, I hold down the Control key and press the down arrow once. Boom! Excel jumps directly to the last filled row in a fraction of a second. Need to return to the top? Ctrl+up arrow. Need to move to the last column? Ctrl+ right arrow. Back again? Ctrl+ left arrow. This shortcut feels almost like teleportation inside Excel. Once you get used to it, you'll wonder why you ever spent time scrolling. We've already covered 3 powerful shortcuts, and we're just getting started. The next shortcut is one I use almost every day when copying formulas and formatting. It saves me from repeating the same task over and over again. So don't go anywhere. Shortcut number 4 is coming up next. Welcome back. We've already learned 3 shortcuts that can make your daily Excel work much faster. But here's the interesting part. The next shortcuts are the ones I use almost every single day while creating reports. In fact, if you work in an office, there's a good chance you'll use at least one of these before your workday ends. So let's continue. Imagine you've created the perfect formula for calculating an employee's bonus. It works perfectly in the first row. Now comes the boring part. You have another 500 employees. Are you really going to copy and paste that formula again and again and again? Most beginners do exactly that. They waste valuable time repeating the same action. Here's the professional way. Select the cell containing the formula, then select the cells below it, and simply press Ctrl + D. Instantly, Excel copies the formula downward while automatically adjusting the references for each row. No repeated copy and paste. No dragging the fill handle. Just one shortcut. If you prepare attendance sheets, salary reports, sales reports, or student mark sheets, this shortcut alone can save you several minutes every day. Tell me honestly, before today, were you copying formulas manually? Now let's look at a shortcut that almost every accountant uses. It's the end of the month. Your manager asks, "What's the total sales amount?" Many people immediately start typing equals, SUM, open bracket, select the range, close bracket. But why type everything manually when Excel already knows what you want? Click the empty cell below the numbers and press Alt + equals. Watch carefully. Excel automatically detects the range and inserts the sum formula for you. Just press Enter, and your total is ready. This tiny shortcut saves only a few seconds each time. But if you calculate totals every day, those seconds quickly become hours over a year. Remember this rule. If Excel can do the typing for you, let Excel do it. Quick question. Out of the 5 shortcuts we've covered so far, how many did you already know? 1, 3, all 5? Type your number in the comments because I'm curious to know your Excel level. And don't leave yet. The next shortcuts are even more powerful, especially if you work with large spreadsheets every day. Let's say you've been working on a huge worksheet for 20 minutes. You're somewhere near row 4000, column M. Now suddenly you need to return to the very beginning of the worksheet. Most people start scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. Don't do that. Simply press Ctrl + Home. Immediately Excel jumps back to cell A1. It feels like pressing a teleport button. Once you start using this shortcut, you'll wonder why you ever wasted time scrolling. When I first learned this shortcut, I realized how much time I had been wasting every single day just moving around worksheets. Now let me show you the exact opposite shortcut. If Ctrl + Home takes you to the beginning, what do you think takes you to the end? Exactly, Ctrl + End. Watch this. One key combination, and Excel instantly jumps to the last used cell in your worksheet. This shortcut is incredibly useful when you're checking imported data or trying to find where your spreadsheet actually ends. Many people don't even know how large their worksheet is until they use this shortcut. If Ctrl + N jumps much farther than expected, your worksheet may contain unnecessary formatting. Cleaning it can even reduce file size. Fantastic! You've now mastered 7 professional Excel shortcuts, and we're not done yet. The next 3 shortcuts are my personal favorites because they can save you from costly mistakes, make your formulas smarter, and rescue your work when something goes wrong. So stay with me, because shortcut number 8 is one of the most important Excel tricks every serious user should know. Welcome back. If you've stayed with me until this point, you're already ahead of most Excel users because you've learned 7 powerful shortcuts that can save you time every single day. But don't stop now, because the next 3 shortcuts are the ones professionals use to avoid costly mistakes and work much more confidently. Let's continue with shortcut number 8. Have you ever copied a formula to another row only to discover that all the answers became incorrect? It happens because Excel changes the cell references automatically. Imagine you're calculating employee bonuses using a bonus percentage stored in one fixed cell. You write the formula once, drag it down, and suddenly every answer is wrong because the reference keeps moving. Here's the professional solution. Click on the cell reference inside your formula and press the F4 key. Watch carefully as Excel automatically locks the reference by adding $signs. This creates an absolute reference, meaning that no matter where you copy the formula, Excel always refers to the same bonus percentage cell. This single shortcut is one of the biggest secrets behind professional financial reports, salary sheets, dashboards, and budget templates. If you've never used F4 before today, start practicing it because it will save you from countless formula errors. Now let's move to shortcut number 9. We all make mistakes. Maybe you accidentally delete an important row, overwrite a formula, remove formatting, or enter the wrong value. Don't panic. Instead of trying to remember exactly what you changed, simply press Ctrl Z. Instantly, Excel takes you back one step, undoing your last action. It's like having a time machine for your worksheet. I personally use this shortcut almost every day because even experienced Excel users make mistakes. The difference is they know how to recover in 1 second instead of wasting 10 minutes fixing everything manually. But here's something many people don't know. What if you accidentally undo something that you actually wanted to keep? That's where shortcut number 10 becomes your best friend. Simply press Ctrl Y. Excel instantly restores the action that you just undid. Think of Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y as two teammates working together. One takes you backward, and the other brings you forward again. Once you start using both together, editing large Excel files becomes much safer and much faster. And that's it. You now know 10 Microsoft Excel keyboard shortcuts that professionals use every day to work smarter, save time, and avoid unnecessary effort. Let's quickly revise everything you've learned today. Ctrl+T converts your data into a professional Excel table. Ctrl+Shift+L instantly adds or removes filters. Ctrl+arrow keys helps you move through large worksheets in seconds. Ctrl+D fills formulas or values downward instantly. Alt+= inserts the sum formula automatically. Ctrl+Home jumps directly to cell A1. Ctrl+N takes you to the last used cell in your worksheet. F4 locks cell references for professional formulas. Ctrl+Z undoes your last action, and Ctrl+Y restores it again. Now I have one final challenge for you. Out of these 10 shortcuts, how many did you already know before watching this video? Was your score 2, 5, 7, or a perfect 10 out of 10? Let me know in the comments because I read every comment and I'd love to know your Excel level. If today's video helped you learn even one new shortcut, imagine how much time you'll save over the next year. That's exactly why I created Shalu Verma classes, to help students, office professionals, teachers, accountants, and business users become faster and more confident with Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please click the like button because it really helps the channel grow. Subscribe to Shalu Verma classes and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the next practical Excel lesson. In my upcoming videos, I'll show you more hidden Excel tricks, powerful formulas, automation techniques, pivot tables, dashboards, AI tools, and real office examples that most people never learn. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing these shortcuts until they become second nature. Work smart instead of working hard. And I'll see you in the next exciting Excel tutorial. Have a wonderful day and happy learning.